everyone, my name is Sanjana. Welcome back to our channel English with Sanjana. Today in this video, my mother is going to help you learn French. The main objective of this lesson is to learn numbers from 1 to 20 in French. If you watch this video all the way to the end, you will be able to count the numbers from 1 to 20 in French. Friends, are you ready? If you are ready, we can start the lesson. Numbers in French.
Les nombres en français.
As I said in the introduction, my mother is going to help you learn numbers from 1 to 20 in French. Let's look at the first number. In English, 1. In French,
Un,
in English, 2. In French,
deux,
in English, 3. In French,
trois,
in English, 4. In French,
quatre,
in English, 5. In French,
cinq,
in English, 6. In French,
six,
in English, 7. In French,
sept,
in English, 8. In French,
huit,
in English, 9. In French,
neuf,
in English, 10. In French,
dix,
in English, 11. In French,
onze,
in English, 12. In French,
douze,
in English, 13. In French,
treize,
in English, 14. In French,
quatorze,
in English, 15. In French,
quinze,
in English, 16. In French,
seize,
in English, 17. In French,
dix-sept,
in English, 18. In French,
dix-huit,
in English, 19. In French,
dix-neuf,
in English, 20. In French,
one.
you can repeat all the numbers from 1 to 20 in French after my mother.
Répétez après moi. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, 17, 18, 19, 1.
That's all for today's lesson on numbers in French. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you find this video interesting, useful, subscribe to our channel. If you feel this video worth sharing, share this video with your friends. And don't forget to like and alarm the notification bell. Then you know when the next video is ready. If you have any comments, drop them in the comment section below. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.